I'm going to show you how to do Elkonin. Elkonin is auditory, so you are going to have to do your best listening. Someone is going to dictate or tell you a word. I've attached a word list. You are going to need something that looks like this. So you can either draw one or you print off the one I provided. Boxes are very important to isolate each sound. You will also need little objects like checkers, goldfish. You could even use little matchbox cars. I'm just going to use bottle caps today. I'm going to show you now. So in Elkonin, someone may say the word hat. As I say each sound, I will push one object up into the box. Hat. 3 sounds. Let's try another one. We're going to do the word rug. G. Rug. 3 sounds again. Next word, chip. Ch. I. P. Chip. 3 sounds. Remember, it has to do with the sounds, not the number of letters. Last one, bath. B. A. F. 3 sounds again. And that's how you do Elkonin. Now you try.